Guys, we are at Nucky Lake right now.
Now we will be going there from here. Hey guys, hello and welcome back to our channel. So I'm Vibha and this is our episode 2 from our Mount Abu series. Also, I hope you have seen our episode 1. If not, then you can check the link in the I button, also in the description box. Simultaneously, do consider subscribing to our channel, and if you like our video, do not forget to hit the like button. If you want to explore the lush greenery and some beautiful scenic view of mountains, then this place should be there on your list. So guys, the name of the place is Kudra Dam and it is one of the favorite places among trek lovers. Simultaneously, this dam provides water supply to entire Mount Abu. Also guys, the hill which you see on video is famously called as Springboard Hill and is another tourist attraction of Mount Abu.
Guys, we are at Lower Kudra Dam. There are two dams here in Mount Abu, Upper Kudra and Lower Kudra. We are at Lower Kudra Dam, which is very close to the famous St. Mary's School right out there. And the beauty out here is amazing.
Also guys, to reach Kudra Dam, you have to take a small trek, and the best time to visit Kudra Dam is sunset or sunrise. The next morning, we started our day having delicious breakfast at Hotel Sun Club with lake view of Nucky Lake. Hotel Sun Club is a very famous hotel in main city market of Mount Abu. Also, this hotel provides some very authentic, delicious South Indian cuisines. Ideally, we prefer not to consume too much of oily food while we are traveling, so we thought to order this dosa, which was quite yummy and crispy. With that, we were quite impressed with the serving style at this restaurant, especially this filter coffee which came in a typical South Indian style. And also I wish to mention that here the water is served in a very traditional style in silver glass rather than glassware. After breakfast, we headed to Nucky Lake, which is famously known as Nucky Jheel or Lover's Lake in Mount Abu. This lake is man-made lake in India with depth of around 11,000 meters and is located in the center of hill station and surrounded by lush greenery, mountain and toad rock.
Guys, we are at Nucky Lake right now. It is a famous tourist spot in Mount Abu. It's a beautiful lake, small parks. There's a walking trail, and another spot which is overlooking Nucky Lake is right up there. It's called Toad Rock, but you have to go 200 steps to be there.
With all this, there is a romantic history associated with Nucky Lake. The story goes like this, that Rasya Balam, who was a sculptor of Dilwara temple, wanted to marry king's daughter, and so he dug the entire lake, but end moment the king cheated and he could not marry the love of his life. And today also there is a temple of Rasya Balam and Kumari Kanya's temple, which is located behind Dilwara Jain temple in Mount Abu. Also, this is the same lake where Mahatma Gandhi's ashes were immersed on 12th February 1948, and after that there was Gandhi Ghat which was constructed. After experiencing the beauty of Nucky Lake, our next destination was Toad Rock, and as adventure seekers we were super excited to climb to Toad Rock. Toad Rock is known as the mascot of Mount Abu and one of the most frequent places to visit by tourists. The path to Toad Rock starts near Nucky Lake and it includes 250 steps to reach the top. Guys, on the way of Toad Rock, you will find the historical famous Champa Cave, where great Swami Vivekanand meditated for 2 weeks in 1891 after the death of his teacher. As adventure seekers, we thoroughly enjoyed the trekking to Toad Rock and, of course, the lush greenery which was on the way to Toad Rock. But, guys, you need to be very careful with the staircases. The staircases are not that great. At some places, the staircases are broken. Also, I will recommend that do not take any senior citizen or kids, and also, if you have any kind of medical condition, avoid going to this place.
Toad Rock! You'll be going from here to there.
Guys, we have finally reached. Right behind me is Toad Rock. That's what you can see right now. And it seems as if, it's going to jump into Nucky Lake.
So guys, if you're in Mount Abu, I will highly recommend this place because reaching at the top of the mountain is a sense of achievement. Also, if you're an adventure seeker or you love trekking or capturing scenic view of mountains, then this place should be on your list. The best time to reach Toad Rock is sunset or sunrise. Once you reach at the top, do not forget to capture all your moments in your camera simultaneously. The view from Toad Rock to entire Mount Abu and Nucky Lake is so mesmerizing, and the cold breeze and the sense of achievement reaching at the top of Toad Rock is completely awesome. Reaching at Toad Rock, you can view a panoramic view of Nucky Lake. Reaching at Toad Rock, you can enjoy yourself soaking in sun, the evening sunset, and also hot coffee and tasty corn. So that's it from episode 2 of Mount Abu, guys. If you liked the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you.